When I first started, I was 10 months postpartum,
Mm.
and I had a lot of bad like back pain and neck pain,
Mm-hmm.
discomfort from just co-sleeping too. So my
Mm.
sleeping was it the way I was sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
So that was helping, and then I took a break because
Mm.
it's been like over a year now,
Mm-hmm.
becoming more consistent. And I feel a lot. I feel a difference.
Mm-hmm.
The instant relief, especially on my lower back.
Mm.
And yeah. So,
I want to hear. Have you ever done the chiropractic care in the past?
no.
No. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, like, tell me that, maybe some of the mama, oh, chiropractor, I don't want to go to chiropractor. Or I see the crazy videos going on YouTube and I'm so scared or intimidated. What would you say to these mama, since you got the Cornerstone experience? Tell me a little bit more about the Cornerstone experience. Besides, our office manager is amazing. Yeah.
I was one of those in the beginning. I was kind of like nervous.
Oh.
Just from all the videos, like videos
Uh-huh.
online,
Uh-huh.
movements,
Uh-huh.
whatever the case. But yeah, after meeting with the doctors and then seeing like the process with like the nervous scope and everything, I think that was what kind of gave me more peace of mind. Like it's not too much going in blind, I guess.
Yep.
And really treating the problem areas like when you come in. So that really eased my mind. And then after feeling like the results and stuff from my first adjustment to like my second and third, that was what, and having like that relief. Yeah, that gave me more confidence. Yeah, this is helping me. I want to continue. I feel like the difference too when coming consistently, feeling stronger.
Mama needs to get stronger,
Yeah.
especially when you have an energetic boy like you or us.
Just like constantly going.
Yeah. Never ending.
Yeah, like I feel like it's really like coming more consistently has enhanced like my overall health. I feel like I have more energy to keep up with day-to-day mom tasks.
What is the mom task?
Just whatever Mateo wants.
Whatever Mateo wants. Make the things happen. Take him to the library.
Yeah.
Didn't you guys see my wife at the library, right? Yeah.
Taking him to the library, the park, to his tutoring program at Colina, playing outside in the yard.